I hear the chickens all roosted up. Give her a break, will ya? Oh my gosh. Dude, really? Seriously, you're crushing her. Hey, get off of her. Come on, get off of her. Come on, get off. Get off, you're hurting her. Get off of her. Jeez, she had no place to go. You didn't spend the whole day outside the stuff in the air. Put her in my mouth, breathing all this in. They're all ready to go to bed. I know it's around 7 o'clock or so. Another overcast day. But they seem to like their roost. I should have put a big long one across the top. But they all seem to want the top bunk. All right, good night, guys. So we got this really large egg, extra large. So I'm thinking it's a double yolk, but this is a normal size egg and this is the monster. Let's crack it open and see what we got. I can do it with one hand. There it is. Yeah, I like the yolk. I don't crack eggs with one hand, but I wanted to film it. I wonder if you hatch one of these, what happens. My son says it won't hatch, but I would think you'd get twins. All right, so a couple big things that are going to happen in the near future. First thing is this is going to be the side that the new meat chickens are going to be on. And temporarily I'm going to close this off and then close that door. And then I'll have to feed them a separate feeder. Probably block off those openings because that's got the layer pellets in it, and I want to give them grower. So, and then this side will be where the laying hens, little one there laying there, and a couple down there. You see your head peeking out. So that'll keep this side free for the layers. So when I close this door off, it goes into the stall. Then in here, I'm going to divide this in half, cut a hole over here, similar to that hole, cut a hole over here, and then split this down the middle. And then that way the meat chickens will have one half and then the layer chickens will have the other half. I'll just frame this out, put chicken wire over it. It doesn't have to be varmint proof. And then I'm going to have to get this door, get a latch for it, which will be easy enough. And then they'll be able to, then I'll be able to come in and out that door. I need to get in on this side. So that's my latest game plan. Looking kind of messy in here. Eventually I'll have to get in and clean it out. They come in here and dust themselves. So that's the game plan. Probably take a week or so to get there, but I'd like to get these 4 chickens in here, little chicks. It's about the age I moved these guys in, about 4.5, 5 weeks. So get get the little meat chickens in. And oh, by the way, we're hatching another, I think, 16 more eggs. So get a little process going and fill up the freezer for this winter. That's the update. So yeah, they'll come in and they'll have free reign of that. Eventually though, I'm gonna have to punch another hole underneath here and split this in half as well, so that I can free range the meat chickens. I have a small trailer that I'd like to maybe make into a chicken tractor. You have to frame it out a little bit with some wood. The fence is leaning all over the place. Maybe today I'll get rid of this green plastic so that the wind doesn't catch it. Another project I've been meaning to get to, but I had to put brakes on one of our cars. I did that job and the mower wouldn't start, the zero turn, because some mice got in and chewed the wiring. So next year I'm going to have to remember to put out some mothballs in around the engine and the and inside. The way I'm going to determine which of these guys I'm going to remove is the ones that follow me around and attempt to kind of get at me, like this guy here. If I bent over and put my head down, he would hit me in the head, I'm sure, with his spikes. I'm getting a small shock, which is good because that means the fence is working. And this one's all pulled up. I have to get some new posts. You're gonna follow me around. Hey, you want a piece of me? Huh? I'm gonna take a piece of you off. Top of your head, mister. That guy's definitely going. He's been picked at. I don't know, I'm gonna pick the broadest chested. I mean, those three are pretty equivalent. He's beautiful. That one's pretty nice too. But three of them have to go. I think I'm gonna keep the white rooster. We'll just get an occasional white chicken like we did. Oh, yeah, today would be a good day to fix this. I got some extra shingles and get that fixed up. Get my ladder out here. Another project I gotta get done. So yeah, I'll do that today. I'm definitely gonna have to put a new roof on this and my house this year. I don't know if this is gonna happen this year, but I'm starting to see some nail heads. All right, fence is back up and around. While I'm fixing the mower, I've got a rack of ribs going in here, pork ribs. A little water underneath. Got Got some hickory smoke going in there. 2 chunks of that, charcoal. All right, let's let it go. All right, we got the black green egg. Got some foil, and let's check it out. It's been running around 300. Here's our pork ribs. So we'll get that onto the foil, and I'll wrap it up, and I'm going to put it back on. But it's looking pretty good, nice and moist. And just let it rest. Close it up. Quite a day's work. Got the mower fixed and made dinner. It's a good day.